I'm Lin.
Ano ba, naiihip na? Ayoko na! Maangas kayo ha.
Hello guys, kakarating lang namin from Manila at may naiwan kami isang kasama. Shout out, Pastor. Talagang muli ni Lord.
Everything that we need, no time to waste, no better place to be. 'Cause we could wander as far as the eye can see. I wanna take you with me. Where do you
Guys, it's already 10. Kailangan na namin matulog at maaga kami gigising bukas para sa amin maagang hike. Ayun guys, good morning. Eto, ready na kami. Ay, naiwan ko yung trekking pole ko.
Nakakain lang.
Guys, dito na kami sa jump off. Prepare lang kami para ipadala sa porter yung iba naming gamit. Hi! Alvinia, Latina.
Hi. I'm Lin from Las Vegas, USA. Moda.
Saka anak ko, shout out. Kasama ulit. Sino person sa
We're gonna wrap the things and feel no shame. Burn our fingers and change our names. And I'll tame the roads that can't be tamed with you. Then we'll race like falcons to crash and burn. Learn the lessons we never learned. If you kiss me harder, someday I'll turn.
Anong masasabi mo after 1 year na walang climb?
Parang after nito, talagang titigil
Sign
na
it
ako.
I wanna run, to feel again, to be no one to run.
Grabe, kakarating lang namin dito sa kung saan kami magla-lunch. Sobrang 21 kilos guys. Oh my God.
I wanna run. I wanna run. So let's paint our bodies and chase the sky. The earth will shake and wonder why. But if I never know it, at least I'll lie with you. With you.
Hi, Ate Verns. Kumusta yung trekking from jump off to Goody Goody campsite?
Okay naman. Basic.
Wow.
close your eyes? Get out of this game.
Ikaw lang ikaw ako? Ikaw?
Let it in. If I could, I would be right
guide na nag-prepare po ng food na ito. Hindi po ito maisiserve kung wala sila. Kaya malaking pasasalamat po namin para sa kanila. Sa pagod nila at sa lahat po ng effort na binigay nila para sa food namin.
At na kayo, nagkakaisa-isa na kayo eh. Wala na akong palag sa inyo eh.
Morning, Mayor.
Morning. Morning po.
Hello. Yes. Hi, good morning. Anong itinerary natin today?
Punta tayo sa summit today. Maginaw-ginaw pa ang lamig ko.
Anong oras na best?
Anong oras na ba? Wala ulan na? Yes. Wala ko last
Fashionista.
What's up, yo?
Your love is like no other. Your love is where I feel alive. My safety and my shelter. Your love is my home.
Tapos naglakad kayo ngayon, di ba? Naglakad kayo ngayon. Hey! Lena!
You are the harbor set on my shore. You are the shelter from every storm. This is what I call home.
Tingnan mo na ulit ma'am. Mo, vlog to.
Parang bumigay ako po yan.
You are the current.
Ano naman sasabi mo ma'am?
I call home. This is where I call home. Your love is like no other. Your love is where I feel alive. My safety and my shelter. Your love is my home. Your love has won me over.
Church ka ba? pogi.
Si Jenny siya para mawala yung lamig.
Ano ba, naiihit na ako. Bilisan mo na yan. Okay na yan. Alam.
looking for me. I go out, try to chase myself. Far too many might restore. I could have been somebody new. I'm not talking to myself again, but I don't know who I'm talking to. I think it's you. I could have been somebody who you wanted to hang around to hold. I should jump when you told me to. I wanna change, but it's nothing new. And if I grow, I'm gonna get so old. Will you hold me like you always do? I could have been somebody who you wanted to hang around to hold. I should've jumped when you told me to. I wanna change, but it's nothing new. And if I grow, I'm gonna get so old. Will you hold me like you always do?
She moves like a map with no border, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane.
Maraming salamat po at yung aking dream come true na dream climb ay natupad. Mga nakasama namin, thank you sa kay Kuya na nag-guide sa akin, nagtulak, humila. Thank you Lord, may umalalay sa akin. Lahat po ng tumulong. Thank you Lord.
Leaving behind what I hold inside.
Ay guys, sa totoo lang ayaw ko na mag-vlog. Basag na basag ako. Laspag na laspag ang lola nyo. Pauwi na kami sa aming hotel. Tapos na ang aming pinagpaguran. Ay, saan ba?
Saan yung paglabas mo ba, van na?
Ay, hindi pa ba van?
Kami 6 kilometers pa kayo.
Akala ko van na.
Nilakad nyo 2.2 lang. 2.2 lang nilakad nyo kanina. Okay, 6 pa kayo.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba naman yan? Ayoko na!
She hums a tune I've never heard.
Yeah. Thank you, Lakaw Dibaw!
Okay, sabay pa.
Ito yung nag-prefix.
Adobo lang sa separate na ano, alalagyan. Magalit
Strings of violet
namin from Davao. May naiwan kaming
From
isang
Davao?
kasama. Ay, from Manila. Cat. Hinihingal pa. Good morning!
Wala pa nga eh. Lausi, ba't lausi? Wala pa tulog.
Sabay, ano ba talaga?